Hi, today we will create this abstract shape like this. If you go here in y-axis or x-axis, you have this object like this. You can change the angle, you can change this, and as you can see, you have a lot of object to make for your project. And we will see how to give this wave like this for this object. We will see all that in this tutorial, so stay with me and let's get started. First, go here and edit in preferences and enable this extra mesh objects. If you haven't, hit here extra and save preferences. Now I hit N and I active screencast case. Now you can see all what I type. Now go here and add in mesh. We select Forest Node. It's another tutorial with Forest Node. So here I give it 128 and here I make it in 3. Now I go here in edit mode. I select faces, scroll to make and deselect all and hold shift alt and I select this one, maybe this one too. Hold shift alt and select this one. We select this tree. Now go here in face, extrude faces along normals and make it bigger just like this. Now go back to object mode and they go here, but first right click, shade, smooth. Now go here in material, hit new. Now go back to edit mode. This face is selected, hit plus, hit new. Now this one, go here and make it glass. Now assign this selection. Now go back to object mode. Okay. Now go here in modifier, properties, add modifier, generate. But first I go here in deform, simple deform. Make it in z-axis and I give it maybe 90 degree like this. Now we have this object like this. I go here in generate, I select subdivide. I make it in 3 like this and I apply this modifier. Now I go here, I add a plane S to scale it like this Select this object, GZ up, and hold Ctrl to make it like this. Now the plane GZ down a little, just like this. Now we have this object like this. Go here and generate and select mirror. Make it in x-axis, leave it like this, and select a plane. Now GX, and you can move it like this, but I want it like this. Okay, now Alt Control Numpad 0, active camera view. Now this plane selected, S to make it bigger. Now go here in edit mode and select edges. Select this one and extrude it in Z-axis, just like this. Now select this one. You can go here in bevel or Control B and make it like this. Here you see a little this window for a bevel. I increase the segments just like this. Go back to object mode, right click, shade, smooth. Now I go here and I give some materials for all this object. Now I select the plane first, decrease the roughness, maybe just like this, and here in specular, make it in 1, and they change this color. I make it gray. Now here hit Z and go to render view. It's the same here, but I make this window just for a render view. If you want to have this default starting Blender like mine, please check the video below. Now select this object. Here the roughness, I decrease the roughness, maybe just like this, and here I increase this. Now go here in world properties. Here we are here in sky texture. You can use the HDRI, but we will using just this. Now change this, the rotation, the sun rotation as you want. If you want to make it shiny like this, but I want to make it just like this. Okay. Now go here in material properties and select the first one for this object. I make it roughness, I give it just 0.2. I make it just, maybe I change this. I delete the principal PSDF and I select glossy PSDF connected to the surface, and I make it like this. I give it 0.5. The rotation 2. I give it 0.5. Now I go here and add. In vector, I select displacement. I connect the displacement to displacement. Hold shift and decrease this number. I give it maybe just like this, 0.08. Now go here and add in texture and select Voronoi texture. Connect color to height, just like this, and increase this number. Maybe just like this. Roughness, I give it 0. .2. Now go here and add. I add another texture to give this object this texture. We will make it 2 texture like this. Now the scale, I make it maybe in 1. And now I increase this. Maybe I make it in 'You can play as you want with this texture. I go here and I select glass. Now this glass, I change this color. And I decrease the roughness. And here I give it, maybe I give it 1.333. It's the index of water reflection. And I increase the roughness. You can make it as you want. Here I select orthographic, and now decrease this. Now you can choose any angle you want for your final result. So we leave it like this, and they go here to render this image. As you can see, it's easy to do. We will wait in a little. As you can see, this is the final result for this abstract shape. So this tutorial is finished. I hope that you enjoyed to make it with me. Thanks for watching and see you soon.